Hey everyone, today's just going to be a quick one on how to bridge your tokens over to the zkSync error network and why you might want to use the zkSync error network. So first of all, I've just got the sync swap page up here, and the reason why I'm on this page is because it suggests a few bridges, but if we go to the DeFi Llama page, we can see at the top here, we've got sync swap with a TVL of 62 million, so basically half of everything that's on zkSync at the moment. So I'll just be using the official bridge here today, but you can use either of these ones over here. Just to note that the official bridge is only going to let you bridge to and from Ethereum and the zkSync network. Orbiter, Seller, and Multichain will let you bridge from pretty much any chain over to zkSync as well, but I'll just be using this one for today. Now, I'll just start with 0.01, but you can do anything you want. Alright, now that the fees have loaded, I can see it's a bit high at the moment, but could be higher or lower by the time you use it. So now I'll just go deposit, and it says the fees are about $10 at the moment, but that's alright, let's just go confirm. Alright, fantastic, that's all done. Now to check it's actually gone through, what I'm going to do is click the here link, so I'll click this one, and it's going to show me my wallet on the zkSync error network, and once I've confirmed it's actually come through, what I'd suggest is going up to the DeFi Llama page, and heading over to the zkSync chain, and this will be linked in the description below. And just check out some of the things that are on here. I'd suggest sorting by TVL, so making sure it's from highest to lowest, because they're usually the safest. So we got Sync Swap, VeloCore, and a few other ones that'll hopefully grow over time. And just before I finish up the bridging part, what I'm going to do is just show you the withdrawal page. Now it does say the withdrawal could take up to 24 hours, so keep that in mind. But of course you could use the other bridges like Orbiter, Seller, but that's up to you. Now I'm just going to head to the expanded view on MetaMask, go to your account icon up here, go settings, go networks, and just show you we've got zkSync here. So you're going to want to make sure you're on the official chain ID, which is 324. RPC, you can use anyone, but the official one is recommended. And of course the currency is ETH, and the explorer.zkSync.io, that's the Explorer I've had the best luck with so far, so I'd recommend that one, but this should autofill when you connect your wallet to the bridge. Now for the final part, I'll just go to the zkSync docs, and I'll scroll in here so you can see it a bit easier. And this pretty much just goes on to say why you might want to use zkSync over Ethereum. And while there certainly are some good points made, saying that transaction fees on Ethereum exceed over $40 million per month, which is certainly substantial, zkSync claims that their transaction fees are almost 1/100th of the mainnet cost. That's mostly due to the transaction refund you get when you actually make a transaction. And this is all well and good, but it also depends on what protocols are actually on the network. Because if we head back over to the DeFi Llama page and just see what protocols we've got, we can see the list only goes up to 15 at the moment, and the bottom one only has $2.17 in it, so not looking too great. Because if we go back to DeFi, go chains, and compare it to Ethereum, and scroll down, the list never seems to end for Ethereum. So while I certainly like zkSync, it's only going to be as good as what's actually running on the network.